Hello to all of my classes for this upcoming fall, starting on the 23rd. I want to welcome you, and of course, this is me doing an early announcement. Class has not started yet, and I am making myself available to answer questions, but I want you to know that I work another job, and I might be a little bit slower at responding this week than I normally will be. So I take pride in making sure that I always respond as quick as possible to everyone, so that you can always know what's going on in the class and feel like you're getting a lot of support from me, your professor. Okay, so I know that one of the most important things that is on your mind is I am aware that there seems to not be many textbooks, or any in some cases, at the MJC bookstore. Part of the reason I've had a problem actually getting a lot of my textbooks because of issues with the textbook industry, not MJC. So that's a whole other long story. So this is what I want to recommend that you do. You see the syllabus is up, and I have the textbooks that you need for the class in your syllabus. And I mentioned that textbook, so I'd order that online right away, is what I'm trying to say. And different editions are going to be okay. What's important is the volume is appropriate to the class. So if you have 106, you need a volume 1. If you have my Western Civ 104, you need volume 1. Volume 2 is the other half of the class. Like, that's a different class entirely. You want to also have the same authors, right? And the titles. It's just going to be a different edition that you might find online. And even if the page numbers don't, or the chapters don't fit perfectly, as long as you can find the content, it'll help you. So let me just clarify something really quick. You can do all of the assignments starting from week 1 without a textbook. The textbook will help you out tremendously. It'll make your life easier and better and more enjoyable. And it'll make the Sunday papers that we do far more easy. Now, I will go into details on the first week, explaining exactly what I expect with video notes, exactly what I expect with discussions, and exactly what I expect with the short response papers due on Sundays at the of each week once we start. And I really do my best to make things clear for all of you so that you'll have success. So for now, just know that you would be able to utilize your notes and turn them into a paper if you don't have the textbook. So right now, for all of my overachiever students, or the ones that are go-getters, basically like to be on top of things, I just want to remind you that you are going to be okay if you don't have the textbook just yet. And then that's the most important thing that I needed to actually address to all of you. So for now, also be aware that announcements are the best way that I get a hold of everyone in this class. And that you're going to need to watch every announcement that I make, because this is the way that I help get you, I communicate. I also write mass emails at times. I literally get students that I write letters to, and that I've been posting announcements, and they come at me with a question, or they come later on in a bit of a mess, saying, why did I get this grade? Why do I have a 0 on this paper? What's going on here? I don't understand what's going on in this class. And I say, I've been writing to you to try to help you directly. I actually addressed everything you said in announcements. And they say, well, I don't look at my inbox, and I don't watch announcements. And my response is, well, you're not participating in this class. I'm actually going to do my job to be here communicating with all of you and help you out. But I need all of you to actually do your part as well, and realize that I utilize announcements very much for this class. So, and I do send out messages to everyone. So, I just want you to be aware of that. I hope you're enjoying the rest of the summer. It's been brutal over here in Portland where I live, and it's very hot, bad air. I don't have an AC, And I've been basically not in a good mood for the last several days, but today is a little bit better, so I don't know. I'm just going to pretend that I live in a tropical paradise and wear a Hawaiian shirt. What do you say, huh? Anyhow, we will all be in touch, and like I said, enjoy the rest of your week until we get going together in class. And then I hope you all are going to enjoy the information that you will get when you take the classes with me. All right, talk to you later.